started our journey around 5:30 in the morning. Super excited as it was going to be our first visit to Taki. Soon after we got on the highway, we stopped for a short tea break. This was the first of many tea breaks we took throughout our journey. As we continued our journey, we could feel that the landscape around us was gradually changing from buildings to vast farmlands. On the other hand, we were leaving behind the good roads and heading towards bigger potholes, narrower roads, and sudden speed breakers. After overcoming all the bad roads, when we finally entered Taki, that was when the real fun began.
বলছি দাদু, এইখান থেকে ওই টাকিটা কোন দিকে?
টাকি এখান থেকে ঘুরিয়ে এই সোজা চলে গেলে একদম টাকি।
আর ওই বাংলাদেশ যেতে পারবো তো?
হ্যাঁ,
বাংলাদেশ
তো এপার ওপার সব জায়গায় এখানে ওখানে
চলে যাবো তো হুস করে?
এ আমাদের বলার ক্ষমতা নেই, কারণ আমরা ওসব ব্যাপারে নেই।
তুমি গেলে চলো, তোমাকে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি।
না না,
I was really amazed to see how simple and humble these villagers were. They showed no hesitation at all while talking to strangers like us.
We didn't need words to express ourselves. We just like to feel the truth.
And there we were. After a journey of around 90 kilometers, we reached the main spot of the day, the border between India and Bangladesh, separated by the Ichamati River.
We'll be stronger when we love.
We explored a couple of more spots over there, and while doing so, we found a number of pretty old and fancy buildings. Some were as old as almost 500 years.
We didn't need words to express ourselves. We just like to feel the truth. No, there's no harm. We are not
all about my one-day trip to Taki. Stay tuned for more videos.
কিরে বাংলাদেশ দেখছি ওপার থেকে, কেমন লাগছে?
দারুণ লাগছে। চট্টগ্রামে আমাকে অনেক বিঘা জমি আছিল।
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ,
তা এখন কই গেল?
এখন আছে ওইদিকে। আমি
হারায় গেছে?
না, হারায় গেছে না, যাবো গিয়া ওইদিকে।
কবে যাবি?
আজই যাবো, বাইকটা এদিকে পার করে ওইদিকে যাবো।
বুঝে